guys, welcome back to another Node video tutorial. If you also struggle with creating pause shakes, then today's video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different methods. 1. The custom graph pause shake. 2. The wiggle replace pause shake. 3. The manual sync pause shake. 4. The PC style adjustment layer, pose shake. You can decide for yourself which one works best for your editing style. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. 1. The custom graph pause shake. So I've got a project open that I haven't created a pause shake on. If you want, you can also do it directly on the clip layer. So I will do it on the group layer. So I will click on the group layer and then add 2 keyframes and position them as I am doing. And open the curve editor and open the full mode graph. And now watch carefully what I do. One thing to note here is this yellow line for adjusting the graph. Look carefully at how I am doing it. It may not be possible for you the first time. This yellow line has to be made a little longer as I am showing. You can also see there, that is the thing to pay attention to. And the second graph was not happening to me in the first time as well, but if you try, it will happen. Nothing happens without trying. So I will make my clip accordingly. That is whatever type I want. I am teaching you guys how to make it, not that you copy my values. You do it in a different way yourself. That is, change the values. If you observe carefully, the position is changing, so make the type of pose shake you want. So I want this type of pause shake move, like circle, so I will make it type. Oh ho, this is a little bit ready. It's about to happen. I have to adjust the graph a little bit more. This is happening. I'll just adjust it a little bit more and it's done. And it's ready. Now I'll play it and see if it's good or not. Yes, it's good. You can also create a preset if you want. So I'll copy and paste it into all the clips for you to see. But I remember that yes, rotation has to be given. You can give it if you want, but I have to cover this topic also. Otherwise, you people will say that nothing was told about rotation. It would be even better if it is given. So I'll simply click rotation, and I will add 2 keyframes. First keyframe value 5, and second keyframe value -5. Now look carefully at the type of graph I am making. If you want, you can make it according to your own choice. And you can adjust the value of this rotation as per your requirement. As much rotation as you want, and it is ready. Now I will copy-paste all the clippings and show you the result.
Heart's on a mission, searching my soul, 'cause I feel you slipping. Don't fade away to memory. I can feel you calling out my name.
Now look at the result.
Galaxies, I feel you.
2. The wiggle replace pause shake. Then I will click on the group layer and click on the settings. Icon located on the right side of position. Clicking on this will open up a few options. Reset, audio reactor, wiggle editor, curve editor, and expression editor. You need to select the wiggle editor. Once you select it, a new set of options will appear. There is no need to explain all of these because you guys probably know them already, so I will skip the explanation. In the type section, noise will be selected by default. Click on noise and 2 options will appear, noise and sign. You need to select sign. Now, if I play the video to show you, you'll see it is moving, but only in the same direction. This is because the X and Y axes are connected. To fix this, just click on the link icon between X and Y to unlink them. Now X and Y are separated. So after doing all this, we are finally ready to create a position shake. For my settings, I will do something like this. I will set the Y amplitude value to 0.20, and I will set the X frequency value to 8.0. Now, if I play it, you can see it moving. We have successfully created a pause shake. You can adjust these settings according to your own preference to get the exact style of pause shake you want. If you want to add a rotation effect, do the exact same thing. Go to Rotation, click on the Settings icon, and open the Wiggle Editor. In the Type section, Noise will be selected by default. So go ahead and change it to Sine. And I am not going to tell you the value because if you people copy me, then what kind of edit will you do? And then the edit will not look good. Try it and experiment yourself.
Won't leave you behind. And I'll run back for you, back for you, back for you.
So I simply keep some values like this and I copy-paste it on all the clips and show you the result. Now look at the result. The manual sync pause shape. So, here is how you do it. Just like before, I will be working on the group layer, but with a slightly different approach. For this method, we need 3 keyframes in total. First, I will add a keyframe right here. I will set the X value to 0.54 and the Y value to 0.55. Next, I will add the second keyframe, setting the X value to 0.50 and the Y value to 0.45. Now, move a few frames forward and add one more keyframe. For this one, set the X value back to 0.54 and the Y value to 0.55. After that, open the curve editor. Select all the keyframes just like this and apply this specific graph. Finally, adjust and place all the keyframing exactly like this on your timeline. And now, if I play the video to show you, our position shake is completely ready. In this, you have to add different position shakes. You can use the exact same one if you want, but I wouldn't recommend it because it looks boring. Let me show you how to create a different one. So I will go to the second group layer. Just like before, I will add a keyframe. For the first keyframe, set the X value to 0.59 and the Y value to 0.49. Then move a few frames forward. Here, the values for both X and Y will remain the same, which is 0.50. For the third keyframe, set the X value to 0.60 and the Y value to 0.60. Now open the curve editor. Select all the keyframes just like this and apply this specific graph. Finally, adjust and place all the keyframing exactly like this on your timeline. And now, if I play the video to show you, you can see that our position shake is completely ready. Let me show you one more example so that you guys can understand it perfectly. I will simply click on the third group layer and start adding keyframes. For the first keyframe, set the X value to 0.47 and the Y value to 0.55. Next, add the second keyframe, setting the X value to 0.55. Finally, for the third keyframe, set the X value to 0.46 and the Y value to 0.55. Now, just like before, open the curve editor. Select all the keyframes and apply this specific graph. Adjust and place all the keyframing exactly like this on your timeline. And now, if I play the video, this position shake is also completely ready. If you want, you can also add rotation, but I will not add it because I have already seen it in 2 methods. Now look at the result.
Rages around like an ocean in my head.
4. The PC style adjustment layer, pose shake. The fourth method doesn't require much effort. It's actually very simple. All you need to do is add an adjustment layer and make sure its length is slightly longer than your actual clip. Let me show you how it's done. So I have added an adjustment layer right here. I will place it above my clip and adjust its length accordingly. Next, I am going to rename this layer to POS 1. Once that is done, I will link this POS 1 layer directly with our group layer. Now that it's linked, you can create any type of position shake inside it. For now, I will quickly create a manual graph shake exactly like this. All right, let me show you this one more time. We will create another position shake using keyframes. I will simply add one more adjustment layer and adjust its length. You can watch the screen to see how I am adjusting it, and you need to do exactly the same thing. Next, I will rename this layer to Post 2 and link it directly with our group layer. This time, I am not going to dictate the exact values. Just watch my screen to see what kind of position shake I am creating. I hope you guys have understood the process, because this is exactly how it needs to be done. You can use this method to give your edit a smooth, flowing look so that the clip doesn't feel stiff or stuck in one place. Now look at the result.
And that brings us to the end of this video. If you learned something new today and like the shake effects, please drop a like and subscribe to surjeetnvt. Share your thoughts or any questions in the comments down below. See you guys in the next one.